New Day Rock. I did my promotion video for this and the Blue Maxim. I think I showed you guys. I didn't show you this Genesis yet, but I finna show it to y'all once we come back. You finna drive there? Oh, wow. Wow, he said he's going to a bank after this. One thing y'all don't know, car plug don't like to keep his car clean and stuff like that. So, you know, he said the dirtier the car, the more he sells. So.
Go fine, nigga. Car plug love clean. Can't believe car plug.
Oh, there's some Timu shit right here. Some shit my dad would have. Oh. And, them folks in a Maserati.
Now look at the truck that we sold you to.
Crazy.
He be putting them motherfuckers to work in the construction area. That's
right.
Yeah.
Ooh, they put it on wrong, boy.
That must have put it on there.
Look at that truck. Big trunk. Damn!
Big ain't nothing.
Boy, that's so firm right there.
No power.
You got a driver back.
Who the hell in that Kia?
Who is that? Yeah, man. Straight. What Cam at? Where he at?
Man.
It got started.
God damn, these motherfuckers got more damage than a
On
horseshoe.
the right place? I think he got power to the battery. Put it on.
God damn, big short head.
He got big, this motherfucker battery.
What the fuck that nigga hit for?
Nah, he said drunk driver here.
He said why they were pushing the car.
This joint rear-ended for sure.
He said his brother lost his leg.
So some frame look like his brother lost a leg. Damn.
What up? Want the key?
Damn.
He said I ain't gonna do nothing.
Look, he would have been working at least.
Yeah.
You think if we do it from right there, it'll make a difference?
Try up here. It's that useless shit I hate. It's the shit I hate, YouTube. It's the shit I hate.
Hey, Nature.
Wagwan.
You had this jump box?
Huh?
You had this jump box?
Yeah, but I ain't use it.
No, I was just asking to see what it's charging.
Nah, it's charged for sure.
I just want to hear this. I just want to hear it crank.
Man, this shit little as fuck. Can't even grip the shit.
Right. Alright. Put the black.
Put it.
Why would you connect it on there?
I don't see no other negative.
Watch out. Hey, move this.
Where the key at?
What the?
Where the key at?
What the fuck? Put it on the thing.
Hold on. This hoe,
What is this on the shop?
you can't even grip this little motherfucker. God damn. Just that shit with Maserati food.
Oh, it's great.
Okay.
You were laughing about me pulling it right, but that junk does. Ooh!
Go ahead. Go ahead. I can't hold it real quick. Hold it this way. Hold it this way.
What's up? Huh? Yeah, I just did some magic.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I cut they junk.
Hold on, wait.
That's fuses. Nah, wait. ain't click shit. That's my time to go home. You hear me? Ah. That boot. Ooh, they jump so through. Yeah, damn. Damn, man. Damn. Some weird ass shit.
Let's try to bite now. Might work.
John, nice interior though, that red though. Just an ugly ass nigga in the passenger seat of it. See, they young nigga right here so ugly. My bad, I'm sorry. Boy, finna pull out that fully.
Shit crank now.
Boy,
Try now, Wick. Try now. Try now.
Try it.
No, I'm finna go get another jump.
When you hook up to the front, that's where the that's when the lights.
I'm gonna bring another jump.
Cause it weak as hell. Hey, they just got slider rotors. Junk come with slider rotors.
I used to work at a dealer show.
It's why YouTube, do not buy a Maserati. I am telling you, do not buy a Maserati. Whatever you do in life, don't buy this bullshit. It looks good, but it's gonna bring you some problems. Mickey, do not buy a Maserati. Hey though, for the right price, buy that hoe. No round. For the right price, buy that hoe. God damn, this nigga got a whole house in this junk.
Oh, I meant to say
Damn.
mechanic.
Mine got a gas, the gas can stove, everything.
Yeah, I ain't lie. Oh, I think that's your car right there.
Motherfucker gonna get the clan like sir, what the fuck you doing in here?
I might have to take the rotors, bro. Them $200 rotors. Shit.
He'll sell the car for low.
Shit.
You gotta get that motherfucker started.
Yeah, I just
There's
want
a
to hear
lot
what
of
the
shit to
sound.
go wrong with these.
That's what I'm saying. I don't even want to take that.
Listen, first of all, this right here, this already more than 2,000 right here.
I think just that right there.
Just the subframe.
Yeah, just the wheel right here.
Cause we gotta change the whole subframe. You gotta change the whole rear membrane.
Who that Cam cousin?
Oh, there go that pussy. You finna leave?
We're gonna try to start it.
Tire rod. Nigga, that's the whole subframe.
Subframe.
That's the whole rear membrane. My bad, I had to wipe y'all out because the ugly ass nigga just blurred my camera. He fresh as hell. Damn, that boy fresh. He fresh. Ooh. Boy, popped out.
Can't be dressed like that.
New balance, you hear me? New balance on that ass. You still ugly on that ass, you hear me? John won't start. Let's see YouTube.
I'm about to buy one of my oak. Got a built.
How said cock?
Transmission, all that. He
That John, that engine said cock. Boy, that engine sounded like.
Look, once your car is sick, this one, I don't think I seen how When you pull this back, this goes back. It's gonna want to open. Right.
Boy, once they try to start that engine, said cluck.
Now, try again. Brake. Press brake. It's a press brake. Hey, hey, Mickey, hold the front.
I ain't gonna lie, if y'all can't get the crack, y'all probably have to close that bitch up.
Hold on. Hold on, wait.
Hey, John saying clock.
I forgot 2 cables on them.
Hey, crank it.
Crank it.
Crank it.
Yeah, this a Miguel shit.
Nah, I cranked last time.
Shit.
We just take a minute for it.
Shit.
Did. They probably need a car to try.
But I mean, the windows have been down. Probably water got in the BCO.
Ooh. Ooh. Water getting the BCM. My boy buy a new car. Buy a new car.
How's the moon?
Buy a new car. Mine said water got in the BCM.
Go to that motherfucker. Go to that worm.
I'll buy this bitch for $500, bro.
What, the whole car? You gonna have to get the whole worm?
You must don't know me.
500.
Well, go on eBay.
eBay, we got a mechanic. It would take him a day or two. No, to crank that hoe up.
This ain't no fuel.
No fuel?
Nah, it's a wire somewhere corroded.
I ain't no wire, guy.
Okay, see you.
Ain't no wire, fam. Trying to tell you.
Over.
I think you may have to let it sit.
No, for water got into the BCM. Imagine.
Hey man, $500 special.
On God, $500, that hoe gone.
Matter of fact, raffle, bro.
Oh, got out by there.
Tickets $5. 1,000 people.
For they bullshit like this? Or you talking about fully fixed
I'm
raffle?
fucking rich as fuck,
No,
bro. I'm gonna make that whole
raffle
I'll
like
make
this,
that whole white, nigga.
Man, imagine winning this for $500 for a raffle.
That whole
$500, that hoe gonna be
No, $5 for a raffle.
crazy.
I drove it. It's
How
fast.
you turn off the
$500? I'm make you whole white.
how you turn this windshield down?
What you mean?
Man, leave that hoe like that, fool.
Hey, he might have to pull up, dude. Let's see. Let me call him.
Hoe got some long ass paddle shifter. Paddle shifter so long, fool. God damn.
That hoe's so fast, though.
Motherfucker got some long ass paddle shifters, you two. Damn.
I'm man.
Hell yeah,
Hey,
my
Felix.
leg getting pop. Can't bands a hoe. Can't bands a hoe. Can't bands a hoe. You still never explained me what happened right here.
I was in the hospital.
This? They put a tube, like a breathing tube.
Yeah, I was in the coma.
I don't got you was in the car for how long?
Yeah.
Where you got shot?
I forgot the windshield.